Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About ask and ask, we can do about factorization. Next, number 9, I can put into 2s and 7s. About this one, I can put into negative 2s, positive 2s, and negative 3s. And now we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 7. This one by s. This one by negative number 3. And now we can do another factorization by s plus 2. Similar for the second one. Now we can simplify s plus 2 on numerator and denominator. So I will put negative number 2 on here, and we have the final answer. And we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.